Hi, this is a recording for English speakers. We've done a Google Meet for French speakers, then we are doing a record for English speakers. So it's about the East African Hackathon, which involves mostly students who are still studying, or a team of students who are still studying, or those who have just finished but not for a long time. So I'm gonna go. The first thing to do is to go at AppDev community platform, appdevcommunity.com. Then you will reach a home page. It will ask you to connect to your Google account, and then you will reach the home page. Your home page can be different to my home page. This is my home page. So, but the menu and all the things will be the same. Just the article can be different depending on your activity on the platform. So the first thing to do is to come on the search bar and you look for the hackathon. It's Cardano-East Africa Hackathon. So we have keyword. For me, I will type hackathon because it's the first important keyword. And we have here Cardano-East African Hackathon. We can also type Cardano. But as you can see, there is many things about Cardano. That's why I've just typed hackathon. And of course, we also have many things about hackathon, but at least we can already see the Cardano-East Africa Hackathon. So I'm gonna click on it. And yeah, this is the event. There is information about the event, but what we are looking for here is the article which talk about the hackathon. I'm gonna look for it. We have it here. Cardano-East Africa Hackathon. So I'm gonna do it again once more for those who didn't see very well. I close, I just search hackathon. There we go, Cardano-East Africa Hackathon. This is the event. I repeat, we are looking for the article. I just get down. There is a button here, view more. I click on it, and there is more information. And here is the article, Cardano-East Africa Hackathon English version. So I click on it, and you will have here more information. So I will go through the most important on this article to explain. This is the title. This is the schedule. The hackathon was launched on August 5 of this year. Here is the registration form. I'll come back on that. Here is where the article will be submitted on the same form, on the same registration form. I will also come back on that. This is the deadline, so the last day of the submission, 5th of October, October 5. And this is on October 7, the top 5 pre-finalists will be announced. And then on October 12, we will have an information session and a preparation of pre-finalists via Google Meet. Those ones who are top selected as pre-finalists, we will do a Google Meet with them for information session. Then on October, on 18th of October, we will announce the 3 winners and the prizes, which we'll give them their prizes. So what are the conditions of participation? Participants must be students or teachers enrolled at a university in East Africa. Here are the country we consider as East African country. I can't say we consider, I just say here are the country we picked in East Africa. The DRC, Burundi, Kenya, Rwanda, South Sudan, Uganda, and Tanzania. So if your university is not in one of these countries, you are not eligible. So also each team must be made up of at least 2 people, and maximum of 5 people. It can be up to 5, but it cannot be down to 2 people. So the registration, the group, the TO team must register online via the registration form. As I said, I'm coming back to this. Each group must submit via the Google form, the full name of the full names of the members, their contact, all these information are on the Google form. When I will get on it, I will explain. So let's talk about the submitting project. The project or application case, it's not, you don't need to be a developer or a programmer. What we need here is idea of a project that must be submitting, respecting the theme, improving education through blockchain. So all we need is idea on how blockchain can improve education and education in general. But as you are students, you can just consider education in universities or in high school. Submission must include details, articles, and illustrative video for finalists. This is for finalists only. I've talked about up here these top 5 who will be selected as pre-finalists are those ones who will also submit video after being selected. But for this first phase, we only need articles for candidates. So illustrative article and video must be original and created specially for this hackathon. So all the article you will create must be original and only for this hackathon. Just don't go and download something, come and put it here. It's even better to record yourself in your phone if you are a pre-finalist, but let's talk just about the candidates. The pre-finalist will come after. Don't just go and copy an article somewhere and come and put it here. If we find out, I'm not saying that 100% we will look to find out, but if we find out, you will automatically be eligible and we will delete your submission. So the hackathon, let's talk now about the hackathon phases. We have 3 phases. Let me see. Yes, we have 3 phases. The first one is call for participation and awareness, which is going from August 5 to October 5 of this year. This is already started. So the group must register during this period, not after. The participation is in online event to understand how hackathon works. We have already done one event. We will see if we can do another one, but there is still our Telegram group which anyone can join and ask questions about the hackathon. So the phase 2 is about the submission and selection. This one will go from the article submission, and selection will go from August 5 to October 5, same dates. So the article must be submitted by the specified deadline. So if you submit your article after the October 5, it will not be considered. So the jury will select the pre-finalists at the final phase. So phase 3, the creation and submission of finalists, their video here it's and or. So pre-finalists can submit video and illustration or just video or just illustration. So this phase will go from October 7 to October 12. But to reach this, you have first to be among the pre-finalists. If you are not among the pre-finalists, you are not concerned about this phase. So the selected group must submit their video or illustration by the deadline, October 12. The video or illustration will be evaluated by the jury to determine the winners. And so the evaluation criteria of this. There is the originality and innovation of the idea, the clarity and quality of the article. When we are talking about the clarity and quality, is like as you can see this article, there are some title which are in bold, in capital. There are even other titles which are in capital letter. There are some words which are underlined. We have added some emoji if possible. There is punctuation. That the clarity, and that the first part of the clarity and quality of article. There is no mistakes in the autographs, all those things. So those are just things you should respect for your article to be to have clarity and better quality. There are reactions. So these two are the first thing to be considered. Then there are reaction. You have to share your article to, I don't know, to people you know, to people you don't know, for them to read your article, like it, comment it, and and all that will count for 50%, 50%, and for of the evaluation. So the other 50% will be for the judges. Then we have here potential impact of the proposed solution. So just to come back here, if your articles, what we will do first, the article which has many reaction, we will take them, and then the judges will start by that. Then we will go then on those which don't have many reaction. So the first thing you have to do is to respect these three one. Then the judges can go through your article after you already had the 50%, which comes from the reactions. So then next is the potential impacts of the proposed solution on education. This is then what the judges will see. How did you describe your article? How did you describe the way blockchain can bring solution in education? Then for pre-finalists, we will see the quality of presentation of the video and the illustration. This is the same as here, clarity and quality. For videos, the sound has to be good. In illustration, we have to hear what is being said, or if it's illustration, everything has to be clear. Then here there is the ability to explain. Just as I was saying here, it has to be clear. We need to understand what you are trying to say. So that's all for evaluation criteria. Then prizes and award. The top 3 group will receive reward in either it's Cardano's cryptocurrency. The first group will have 3,000 ADA, the second 2,000, and the third one 3,000. Also, winning project will be presented and promoted within the Cardano community. So about the ADA, for those who don't know ADA crypto, don't worry. After receiving your ADA, we can help you to exchange. Like from now on, this 3,000 ADA can be it's about 1,000 USD dollar. This in the current rate. So no worries about the currency. Will help you to exchange. Now the commitment and conduct. This is a very important things, because you can be banned on this platform if you don't respect the code of conduct. There is here a page deduct for that, but let me just go through on these 2 points, but you can go on this page to read more about it. Participants must agree to abide by the hackathon rules and to work ethically and collaboratively. If you think that the article of someone is not good, instead of commenting something which is not which is not polite, it's better to do not comment it. All the things we will write on this platform has to be ethical. So any plagiarism or inappropriate conduct will result in immediate disqualification of the group concerned. You don't have to copy an article of another candidate. Right and intellectual property. Participants retain intellectual property rights to their projects, but must grant the hackathon the right to promote, use, and disseminate their work for non-commercial purposes. So what we just do here is to share your article to others, to show them your work, and to explain to other people how they can participate in even in next hackathon. So this sentence is just saying that you give us that right. The confidentiality, participant personal information will be treated confidentially and used only in connection with the hackathon. So make sure that all your information, your name, etc., we will not use them. After the hackathon, you will never see us again, or if it's about another hackathon. So here, you can join our Telegram group and ask many questions. So now I'm gonna go back on the Google form registration just to show you. Here is the link. I'm gonna click on it. There we are. So what you just have to do here, as you can see, there is French and then there is English on every. Here is French. For English speakers, English is just here. You read about, here there is for more information, the article, just the article I've just read. Then there is also an illustration of an article, a sample, if you just want to see the way you can write yours. There is application then and all the things. Okay. So here are the information asking to register. The email address of the principal contact of the group, the person who's representing the group. There is the phone number of that same person. There is the country, because the group need to be in the same country. There is a team photo. This is not a photo of one person. This is a team photo of all the group members. This photo have to be, you need to be in front of your university so that the sign of your university can be seen. Let's say, for example, you are at the University of Nairobi. That's where your team will register. So you need to take a photo in front of your university so that we can see the sign of your university, University of Nairobi. Then you upload it here. If you have a problem on uploading, you can still text us in Telegram group and we'll help you. Here is your university name, the name of your university. Then here, the name of your team. It's up to you to find the name. Here is the project description. You put it here. Here is the link to your article. So the article you'll post here on AppDev community platform, you will take the link. How to take the link? You just go down your article. There is a button here, share. Here is the button. You copy and you paste here. Yes, article link. And something important, you'll just use this hashtag in your article. When you'll be writing your article, you'll see they will ask you for hashtag. You can add this so that we can easily find your article. Then here, there is the name of the members of your team. First, second. As you can see, only the first one and the second one are mandatory. The other one, third, fourth, and fifth team are not mandatory. And at the end, you click yes and you submit. That's all. So thank you very much. If you have any question, don't hesitate. Just join our Telegram group and we'll be happy to answer all your questions.